This is a video on how to replace a touchscreen on a Honda Accord. First, you're going to want to remove these screws right here. To remove the touchscreen, you just have to remove these screws that are right here. They're the silver ones. And then you want to pop this. You want to pop this off. It has another screw right here and another one right here. You might have to take that off. Once you pop this off, so you just want to pull out these clips right here. Once you pull out these clips, this part's going to come undone. You want to get this whole bezel right here taken out. So after you pop it off, you can have this part. Take the touchscreen off, broken one.